In asking us to develop a HIPAA-compliant analytics solution, one of our largest healthcare clients was being very forward-looking. They were anticipating what they expected to happen in the regulatory environment. And a profound change did indeed occur in December of 2022, when the Office of Civil Rights for HHS issued the most explicit and specific interpretation and directions around HIPAA compliance that had been issued to date.
Right now, healthcare providers are in a bit of a panic. They're losing a lot of their access and ability to track patients' digital footsteps. And that is causing a lot of turmoil, a lot of guessing, and quite frankly, a lot of panic to either pull out existing solutions or find a path to new ones.
The HIPAA-compliant analytics solution that we developed helps healthcare, medical device, pharma companies in a number of different ways. First, it gives them absolute control of the data that's collected on their website. We do that by removing all other tracking scripts and tracking pixels and making a private client ID the only means of collection. Second, we ensure that there is no accidental introduction of PHI by monitoring all elements in URLs and ensuring that anything that's sensitive is stripped out, and ensuring no tracking script is accidentally injected in their system. Third, we exercise granular control over the data that is passed to any third parties or internal systems. So at a partner level, we determine the specific data attributes that are shared or not shared, which means marketers can continue to market effectively, but they can do so in a manner that the organization can be certain is HIPAA compliant.
The solution that Wheelhouse developed is perfectly suited for a modern healthcare HIPAA compliant initiative in today's market. What it does is it allows the Telium IQ data collection technology to work in collecting data, but Wheelhouse has added more security techniques, such as being able to scrape out the URL sensitive data, use libraries that actually control the movement of data to preferred destinations, and secure and obfuscate some of this information using SHA-256 techniques that are acceptable in today's marketplace for data collection. At the end of the day, the Wheelhouse analytics solution then gets the most secure data with a private client ID that they innovated. The private client ID then becomes the basis for securing the patient's profile, while at the same time allowing their key attributes that enable marketing, ad tech, and different forms of customer experience innovation to take place securely.
The relationship with Wheelhouse is great. They understand web analytics and MarTech deeply. They understand the nuances deeply.
Part of the beauty of the solution, or the value of the solution that we've created, is that we're not seeking to replace other analytics platforms. We're not seeking to replace other advertising platforms or other CDPs. We're seeking to ensure HIPAA compliance and to enable organizations to act with confidence and to continue the marketing that is critical for them and valuable to their patients.
So we're seeing the evolution of data privacy actually help the relationship between the consumer or the patient and the brand or the healthcare provider.
The reality is that there's been this catalytic event in this new guidance from HHS. And there is this set of regulations called HIPAA that mean that these industries, these organizations need to pay attention right now. But I think as these types of regulations become more broadly applicable, that this same sort of a paradigm, the need for this kind of a solution, will expand beyond these industries.